When you're working with a bunch of objects in Affinity and you want to resize them all at once, you can simply select everything and drag one of the bounding box corners. However, you'll notice the positions of all the objects are shifted, which might not be what you want. So what if you want to resize them without changing their positions? Basically, keep each object centered on its own axis while scaling them. It's actually really easy. Just click this little icon at the top that says Transform Objects Separately. Now when you resize, each object scales from its own center, and their positions stay exactly where they are. No shifting around. I hope this quick tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.